Hi, you guys, and welcome back, Virgo Creativity. So let's jump right into it. We have a haul, Dollar Tree. So I went in and I got this hair dye, and I'm just going to test it out and see if it works, okay? And then I also got some powder foundation from Dollar Tree. Okay, we're going to see how it works, and it's in the color oat, so hopefully it works. And then I know their blushes are super pigmented, so I'm going to try them. And I know that I've bought, what is that, LA Colors. They worked out pretty decent, so I'm hoping that these will work just the same. And I bet you they're high pigmented. Usually their blushes are. So yeah, let's just, oh goodness, I have another brush, okay, which I needed one, so I can hit that contour with my get ready with me's because it's just time. So I went into Rite Aid, and they were having a sale, so I end up finding this Gorilla Snot because of course it was on sale, so I had to grab it. Okay, I always try to get things that are on sale. So if it's on sale, chances are, if it sticks out, I'm going to grab it. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys' holidays are going well. Mine is going pretty decent. It could be better. So up next, we have look at what I ordered from Avon. Okay, now this was a trio pack, and I ended up catching it on sale. I think it was, if I'm not mistaken, $15.99. So yeah, check out your local Avon representative or visit their website, because yeah, their products, they're pretty decent, So what else am I digging in this bag for? I have been walking around to stores, so I do shop. Sometimes I'm not always able to go on and show you what I have. But yeah, so this is just like a collective haul. So Burlington, these metallic lipsticks were on sale. So yeah, I thought the price was right. And I think you can get city colors at like your beauty supply stores. So these were on sale for $4.99. So I thought that was a fair and decent price. So I end up getting that pack for $4.99. So I also thought this sweater was cute, and I thought the colors reminded me of fall. So that's why I end up grabbing it. And it was on clearance. Okay, you can't beat a clearance price, which I know I can't. So $6.99, I couldn't beat that. Okay, it stuck out to me. I had to grab it. So yeah, let's just keep digging and see what else. Okay, DD's. I end up going into DD's because I want to do something different in my film room. So if you take a look, those are the curtains. They're gold. Okay. And I only paid $10.99 for them. Hey, you can't beat that price. So I also end up getting this hat for $3.99. Okay. Look at the detail. That was why I got it. Okay. So let's dig in this DD bag. Okay. That hat is still in the store, which these jeans are still in the store. $12.99. You can't beat that. Okay. And they're by the brand Bamboo. Okay. So okay, I have a pair. If you look at my Taste of Soul video, those were a pair of DD's jeans too for $12.99, and they were in the size 11-12. Now I end up getting these in a 15, and they do fit me nicely. So I picked up this shirt from DD's. I thought it was holiday-ish, okay? I like what would you call this? The plaid. Yeah, I like the plaid in it. It just reminds me of the holiday, and the price was right for $3.99. This is velvet. It reminds me of crushed velvet, but I thought that color was so cute. Pair it with a pair of boots, and I also like the bell bottom sleeve on it, so you couldn't go wrong with that. So I thought those two shirts were cute. And I also picked up this little cozy fuzzy looking sweater, and it has a hood, and it was of course $7.99. Okay, and then here's a Dollar Tree, another contour. I can slam my nose down with that. Okay, and this is too cute. Okay, Dollar Tree. So yeah. Up next, I have this skirt, $2.99. What? $2.99, yes. What? And it's going to hit all of my curves. Yes, okay. Their things are pretty decent, You catch something on sale. Hey, why not go with it? And this too was also on clearance for $5.99, right up my alley, okay? And I can wear this to bed or just lounging around. That neon, that galaxy language, you can't understand it. Yeah, so this top, so tropical, of course. We could put these things away for next season. Okay. So yeah, I caught it on clearance for $5.99. And it had like a necklace attached to it, but I didn't like that look, so I just took it off of there. And let's dig down in the bag. Okay, now this is a skirt, okay? A form-fitting skirt, hip hugger, okay? And it has so much stretch to it. As you can see how it fits me there on that picture. Okay, hugs, 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 all of those curves. Yes. Up next, I have some athletic wear, and surprisingly, this was in the men's section, okay? Yeah, I was shopping in Burlington, and my boo was like, look at this. So he ended up picking it up and said, I think this will fit you so cute. So that is the reason why I end up getting it, and it was only $9.99, okay? So yeah, and then keeping up with the fitness, here are some ankle and wrist weights, and the price point was great. Okay, and then up next, oh yes, I needed another one of them. So if you saw my last exercise video that I put up, that belt was just shot. So I got me another one for $5.99. Can't beat that. You cannot go wrong, okay? So yeah, and then look. So I was in the beauty supply store, and so I had to get some bling, a little bling blow for the low. $1. We can't beat that. And then up next, I have this form-fitting dress that comes from DD's, and I could just see my brother got me this fuzzy long vest. I can rock with that. Okay? Yes. So Rue 21, got that out the mall for $3. It was on clearance. Yeah, so that was a good thing, $3. Now up next, I have this form-fitting dress, buttons down the middle. They're faux buttons. I end up getting this from DD's, okay? And it was only $11.99, okay? Good price point. And I got these two sponges, Echo Sanctuary from Ross, okay? Yes, I thought the price point was good, okay? And then I also end up getting this hardware that goes on your hair. And I thought it was cute because of the gold. It spoke to me. I love everything gold. So yeah, that completes my haul. That concludes my haul. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Peace, you guys.